that since the matter was transacted in the
ona gutwika dariri ciothe ironania kwaya gukorwo na miatuka gatagati ka amemba amwe kamiti-ini ya MIARIO ya WUIGUANO muthenya wa ira njokanirio ya MIARIO ikiyumiria gatagati ka mwandiki munene wa kiama kia Jubilee Jeremia Kioni na mubunge wa Iyala Hassan Omar. Kamiti ino no ithiete na mbere na kwamukira mawoni megi mainie na agenda gatagati ga thirikari na mwena wa mung'ethaniro.
Could engage you.
Kamiti ya ITHURANO na MIHAKA IEBC ni amwe aria matemanirie mawoni mao. Murugamiriri munene wa kamiti ino MARJAN Hussein akiuga megubatara mieri 18 thutha wa makamishna eri kuamurwo guthurima MIHAKA ino.
There is policy, strategy and operational uncertainty arising from delayed recruitment of chairperson and members of the commission, and thus it is unlikely that the IEBC will complete the review exercise on time.
We need the 18 months so that we can sensitize the public. And the commissioners will be expected to go round, first round, come back, put down what we have discussed, then go back again for the stakeholders to validate what they gave us.
Nona gukiri uguo, mwandiki munene wa kiama kia aruti wira Kotu Francis Atwoli wendekithitie mihang'o ya kugayanio kwa MIHAKA kwabe kurugamio ginyariria mogaruruku megie ithurano maritafanio. Ndetweko na inie na kubogwa kamiti ya IEBC ni mwe ya agenda nene MIARIO-ini ino. MARJAN agitariria gushererwo kwa murwo kwa makamishna ni undu kuhotomia mihang'o ya kugayo kwa MIHAKA gugikinya mweri wa gatatu mwaka ukite.
Should this committee find it wise to give us the maximum of 9, it will be good because it will represent all the regions in the country and everybody will feel included.
We have recommended actually the Kriegler view, whereby we go to expert model, where there's going to be a panel that has been appointed to recruit.
Maria mangi meyumiririe ni nderetie konainie na watho wa maiganania agenda area ekirirwo ni ikundi tiganite ari ni hamwe na kiungano kia abungi atumia.
To begin to look at the real cost also of excluding over half of our population from leadership and decision making, from making their contributions to development in the country, because studies have shown that there is a economic benefit to having women in leadership.
The High Court suspended the implementation of truth gender principle in the nomination of candidates for the 9th August 2022 general election, thereby thwarting the Commission's effort to facilitate the realization of truth gender role.
Kamiti ya WUIGUANO eguthie na mbere na kwamukira mawoni kuma ikundi tiganite ginyagia wakana kiumia giukite.